Hello everyone and welcome back to Studio 64. So today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make your own custom Lego guns. So I've made quite a few of these on my channel before, but I kind of just wanted to make a kind of a tutorial that works for like any Lego gun. And yeah, so in this particular video I'm going to be making an E11. So I'm just going to start off with this medium blaster, and then I'm going to show you the process of turning it into the E11. So the main materials I use for this is like this plastic like credit card material that I always use, so you can literally just cut up an old credit card for this. And it's just really nice thin plastic, and it's just really useful. And then also I do like to use this like clothing packaging. It's just plastic, and basically just any little plastic bits I always save them because they're amazing for making custom Lego guns. So literally you just need some little plastic bits really. I'm going to start off by attaching this bit down here. So I'm just going to cut a little section to do that. Okay, so now I've made this little strip of plastic, so that's going to actually be like the grip, if I can actually find the gun. So that's going to be like the grip that goes on there. So now I need to cut away a piece of that kind of this like bit that goes down here, and then so that I can attach that. So I've cut that little section out now, and then I can actually just fit that little piece of plastic in there, and that makes kind of the front grip. So now I'm just going to glue this down, and then I'll move on to the next step. Okay, so now it's glued down, I'm going to cut off another piece of plastic, and I'm going to make the magazine holder. So I'm just going to double check what side it's on quickly, and then I'll get back to doing that. Okay, so it's on this side, so I'm just going to cut out the piece of plastic to do this. Okay, so I'm just going to use a bit of this clothing packaging that I showed earlier. I'm just going to cut out a tiny little bit to put on the side. Okay, so now I've glued that on, and I think it's looking... Anyway, so I think it's looking pretty cool, but I think I am just going to cut off this little knob bit here. Okay, so as you can see, I went ahead and added that bit onto the side using some hot glue. It looks really nice as the magazine there. And I also used a toothpick to kind of remove some of the excess glue, which is a really helpful tool for customizing in general. Also, it's a good idea to just file down any exposed edges that you've cut just to make it look a bit nicer. Okay, so there it is, and I think it's looking pretty cool. So now the last step is just to paint it. So guys, here is the finished blaster, and as you can see, it looks really, really awesome. I hope this video was really helpful for you guys in making your own custom blasters. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.